Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at how to pass your C2 license exam. Now, the C2 Insulation and Acoustical Contractor exam is broken up into 4 sections: planning and estimation, acoustical, insulation, and safety. And if you haven't already seen our video on the C2 license, it'll give you a little bit more context about what specific responsibilities and duties fall under this classification. You can check out that video. You'll see a link up here. Now, as with all C classification licenses in California, you'll also need to pass the California Law and Business exam, which will include business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there'll be also a portion on public works. Now, the CSLB exam, obviously, it's 2 portions: 115 questions of law and business and 115 questions of insulation and acoustics. It's going to be multiple choice, closed book, and you'll get 3 hours to complete each section. It's a computerized exam that you'll need to be taking at a CSLB testing facility. So if you're applying from out of state, keep in mind that you will have to come to California to physically take the exam. We've got a free guide that breaks down pretty much A to Z everything that you need to know: how to fill out the application, requirements, sample questions, and a lot more. You'll see a link pop up in the right-hand corner of this video. Now, the insulation and acoustical specialty portion of the exam is going to be critical. You're going to need to be prepared to answer a variety of different questions about this trade, including insulation principles, insulating materials, energy conservation standards, acoustics, roof framing, Batt rigid board and radiant barrier, health and safety, and a lot more. Now, the mathematics that you'll want to have to be tight in before you go into this exam are going to include basic math. So obviously, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You'll want to be familiar with your units of measurement, geometry, cost calculating, and estimating. Now, preparing effectively is incredibly important going into the California Contractor License exam. 50% of the exam is going to be California Law and Business, so you want to make sure that you understand all of the different areas that'll fall under that exam. You want to make sure that your trade-specific fundamentals are tight and you've seen all the different possible questions that could appear on the exam. The CSLB rotates thousands of questions on these exams, so you want to make sure that you've seen a wide variety of the different areas that could be covered. As I said before, California health and safety in California is incredibly important. So job site safety, workers' rights, energy conservation standards, these are all things that will represent a huge portion of the exam. So you want to make sure that you're familiar with them, especially if you're applying from out of state. And then, of course, you'll want to have your fundamental math skills tight: common equations, formulas. You'll want to have test-taking experience, timed exams with flashcards, and not only questions and answers on lines, but also, questions that are presenting, the different topics in a wide variety of ways. And not only that, but answer explanations, which give you, a lot of context about the questions and really help you kind of understand the questions and the concepts on a deeper level. And then walkthroughs with the exam with licensed contractors and lawyers who can really help you not only decipher the language, but also, help pass the exam, but also understand how to run an effective and profitable construction business, which is a lot of what our course is going to include. Just want to thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop us a comment, subscribe to the channel. Any questions that you have, drop them below. We've got complete C2 license exam courses that'll break down everything you need to know and make sure that you're prepared on test day. We've got blueprint reading and trade skills classes also. Again, my name is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.